What I'm looking forward to here is the exchange with people who are working in the same area. So sometimes you go to meetings for information or data. Here the meeting is to meet with the people and to engage and to share what we're doing, to share our enthusiasm, because everyone here is working in the same field.
It's really interactive, which I really like, and then of course I really missing people that that are my colleagues.
Maybe you heard about the Cologne Constitution and you already picked one of these sentences. Can you read it for us?
I will try. hat noch immer je lange. And I think so. It always ended up well.
Het blieft niks wie het wordt. Nothing remains as is, meaning be open to new things.
Could wie it could. So the direct translation is it goes like it goes. And the meaning that you put down is face up to the facts.
Make it good, but not too often.
So in Cologne idiom it would be mach het goed, aber nicht so oft.
Exactly.
Paragraph 7, what willst du machen? What will you do? We accept your fate. Well, no, in CLL we will not accept the fate of the patients that they have to die of this disease. We will do everything in our power to make this disease curable.
We as a team as well put a lot of work into this, a lot of preparation, and it was great to see how it finally panned out. And from a CLL research perspective wise, we could also see how new ideas evolved, how new collaborations are emerging, and I think you could see the sparkle in some of the people's eyes when they heard some of the presentations on new ideas popping up in their heads.
I enjoy every minute, and I really think it's worth that we have organized the meeting, because we all were missing this direct personal interaction with the best people and the colleagues in the field.
It was really great to see you here in person, and I think personally there's a big difference between exchanging knowledge via excellent technical platforms or even seeing each other and having a lively discussion here from person to person. So I'm looking very much forward to the next meeting in 2 years. I think we may still go on with a hybrid meeting, but I hope very much that even more people are attending next time. And what we definitely need, and maybe it's also a trigger for coming here, is that big table soccer tournament. This was really very much fun. Thank you very much for attending.